I'm Giles with Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. Red Friday is a way to show your support for our U.S. Armed Forces that are deployed by wearing red on Fridays. Come in Friday, December 22nd and get 10% off anything red, where you can show your support and ride with the wind.
Ride with the wind. Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.
Where do you want to start at?
From the beginning. From the
From
top.
the beginning?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm Giles with Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.
Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
I was doing something really weird.
Motor clothes department.
How about anything red?
Anything red?
Yeah.
Okay. Come in today, Friday.
Good? Okay, now do the first part again.
All right. I'm Giles with Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.
Ride with the wind. Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.